what I'm doing right here is I'm making sure that you don't weld in one spot because you don't want to warp the metal. So I'm kind of welding one area over here, then over here, then over here. So what I'm doing here is I'm just making sure that the metal is tight against the other piece of metal there so we can have a tight bond whenever I weld. Alright, so what I did here is it's just about halfway done grinding all the welds to get it nice and flush, so it looks better once it's painted. And what's happening here is I'm just applying all the seam sealer, which will go in all the little gaps. And here it is with gravel guard and all the seam sealer nice and smoothed out.